Are you thinking of how to be a graphic designer and play with a lot of colors just like this? Okay, hashtag, as I'll be showing you how you can play with these values, how you can play with different colors, how you can design like a pro and make a huge sum of money just like this one. But before then, hello and welcome to Tech Kings, the channel that teaches you how to monetize your tech skills online. So do make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell button so as to get notified of all our new videos. So let's get straight down to the video. Kings. This is a channel that teaches you a lot of tech skills and how to monetize those skills. So very quickly, in a while, I will be teaching you how you can create your YouTube thumbnails, how you can create graphics, how you can do a lot of things, how you can do your flyers. And most of you requested for this video from my WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group, and from my those of you coming to my YouTube channel and looking at how to create apps. You just need to create a landing page and all that, and you need this thumbnail skills, you need this graphic design skills in order to create this spectacular app. So for those of you watching me for the first time, please, if this video is going to add any benefits to you, to your life, to change your destiny, to change your life in any way, to change your life both financially and physically, to increase your skills, please smash that subscribe button and smash the notification bell button so as to get notified of all our recent uploads. If you like this video, you can also hit on the like button so that YouTube can spread these videos to different people from different countries. So very quickly, let's go straight to the video. But before then, you can see this place. If once you click on WhatsApp, it's going to take you straight to my WhatsApp number where you can chat me directly. If you click on this, Telegram is going to take you to our Telegram page. Instagram is going to take you to my Instagram page. Facebook is going to take you to our Facebook page, and Telegram group is going to take you to our Telegram group. Then my WhatsApp group also is here, so if you click on it, it will take you to our WhatsApp group, and you can also chat me directly if you have any question. So straight to the video, there are different platforms for which you can make your graphic designs. We have Adobe Illustrator, we have Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, GIMP, we have Blender, we have Crello, we have Sumo, we have Paint Shop, Autodesk, and lots and lots and lots of them. If I click here, you see others: Autodesk, 3ds, Snapseed, Photopea, Autodesk, Adobe, blah 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 blah, and all of that. The most popular one is the Adobe Photoshop and your CorelDRAW. So most of you, it's very hard for you to create on the Adobe Photoshop. It's also very hard for you to create your graphic designs on the CorelDRAW. So the plan B I have for you is postermyworld.com. Here is it: www.postermyworld.com. You just click on this on your browser, whether you are using an Android phone or an iOS phone, that's your Apple phones, that's your iPhones, or you are using your laptop or your iPad or your tablet. You could access this just by clicking on www.postermyworld.com. So there are different varieties of things produced on this platform. Different varieties. You heard me right. Different varieties. Lots and lots of them. Let me take you through. We have the templates. So the templates, under the templates, we have different sizes. That's the flyer size, the poster size, Instagram post, Facebook post, digital display. So I'm just going to click on all so you can see them all. Okay. So I'm going to click on all so that you can see them all. Then to enjoy this, you need to sign up to this platform, because whenever you create a design, you have to set and save this design. So what will make it to be unique is if you have an account with them. The best thing to do is to sign up. You can sign up with your Gmail. You can do it manually, or you can also sign up with your Facebook. That's what I love doing most, because it will autofill it for me. Just sign up with your Facebook. Oh, why is it taking long to load? Okay, you can see I'm just going to scroll down. Do you love what you're seeing? This poster my wall has different promotional products where you have already made flyers, posters, Instagram posts, thumbnails, Facebook posts, and in general templates. So all of them are here for your consumption. So what this platform do is they allow you to edit each of these shorts. It contains short videos also, just like this one is a short video, and it allows you to edit, but they insert their watermark in there, so you have to pay a $14 fee to access this for free. But I have a trick for which you can remove this thumbnail without paying the $14 fee. So I'll endure you not to skip any part of this video and watch from beginning to the end, so that you might not miss the tips and tricks I'll be dropping in this video on how to remove this thumbnail. They will be placing on the video, this watermark they will be placing on your pictures which you create from this platform. So what I do here most is to create a channel art, to create logo, to create a banner, to create a flyer, and also a YouTube thumbnail. So to create that, what you do first once you go into the site is to click on search. So you click on search. Let's say I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. You type on thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. You can see it's a keyword. Then you click on that. Then once it pops up, you choose the particular type of color blend you want to use. So let's wait for it to load. Remember I told you have to sign up, so I'm going to teach you how to sign up in the next step. Let's just wait for this to load. I want to show you a cogent and a concord example. See, there are lots of templates here, already made templates, unlike the Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop and the CorelDRAW, where you have to do everything from the scratch all by yourself. You can see this is a YouTube channel art. This is a Facebook event image. Wow, my network is poor. My network is poor. Why the site cannot be reached? Let me open another pane. Okay, it's loading already. So I'm just going to scroll down. You see we loaded YouTube thumbnails. So you can see here a lot of things. You can see Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook cover photo, Facebook cover video. I told you there are short videos here, Facebook shop cover, and lots more. YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail, Pinterest graphic. There are some of you that do your what's it called? There are some of you that do your blogging on Pinterest. You just need that particular thumbnail. It have to be that size to make sense. So all these ones have a tag, a video tag here, so you can see it's actually a video. But I will show you how to turn the video back to a normal picture and kill all the transitions in the video. So let's search for a very nice thumbnail that we can use. First of all, for our video, let's see that I'm going to use. Okay, all right, most of what I hear are videos. Okay, let's use this or this. Let's use this. So edit template. So you can see, then you click on customize templates. So let's wait for that to load. Okay, don't forget the website, guys. postermywall.com. postermywall.com. So let's wait for it to load, guys. Don't get weary. So guys, don't forget that I told you that I will be releasing some tips and tricks on how to get this we made with postermywall.com off without paying any money. Look at it. If you want to download, let me show you. and you want to download it to have a very high quality, that's high quality image that will be it will have the watermark removed. It's You have to pay $2.99. And if you use this basic image, which is free, you also download, but you can see here it has watermark. Now this once you download this free picture, it will contain watermark, and the quality will still be nice. Actually, they just did it like this so that it will attract you to make this payment. So the tip and trick will be released in no time, so please don't skip any part of this video so that you don't miss any of the steps. So to save this video, you need to have an account with postermyworld.com. You can actually use your Facebook. Most of you are scared, my Facebook will be hacked, my Facebook will be this, but this platform is tested and trusted. I normally use my Facebook channel, my Facebook page for this. I use my Facebook account for this. So you can also use your Gmail if you are scared of using your Facebook, but don't chicken out, it's still nice. So you can also input your email address manually if you don't want to connect directly. And they have student login where you'll be taught on some tips and tricks, also some skills on how to create that. So once you've done, you can download your design directly. You can download even without having an account with them. So I'm just going to download a free one. So I've downloaded that. Now you can also make money from this platform by publishing your own design which you have edited. You can publish it on your social media platforms. You can publish using email campaign. You can publish using digital snippage. I will also be teaching you how to do digital snippage in days to come or in months to come. You can also share the link. You can embed in web page to know how to all these terms, what embedding means. That's why I showed you from the beginning, from the intro, my channel, how you can get to me on WhatsApp and chat me up. And don't forget, it is not free of charge. You have some fee to pay for me to attend to you because I have too much load work. So you can also share the link on social media to get a lot of that. So this platform also pays for you to publish. If you publish and someone comes to download and they pay $2.99 for what you have created, you will be paid a particular percentage from it. You can see you have to pay $2.99 to download the high quality. So some white men don't like free things. Like I always tell you, there is no free thing. So except if you want to bypass some things. So since we have downloaded it, now is the time for me to tell you the tips and the tricks. There are more to Poster My World, but you have to unlock and do that yourself. And if you want me to still help you further after this video, please do make sure you check through my social media platform. I showed you my main WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp group, my Telegram channel, my Telegram page, and my other platforms. So I'm just going to click on this thumbnail which I just downloaded and go there. So this is it. This is the thumbnail which I downloaded. So I'm going to open it with Paint. So if you are using an Android phone, you can actually open this on InShot, so where you can edit. You can also open with Microsoft Office 2010 if you know how to use it. You just crop it out. So what I want to do now is to crop out the thumbnail, the watermark which the Poster My World website has inputted. So let me zoom out of this. So the thumbnail normally used to be at this particular end, but because of the whiteness of the background, we can't see the thumbnail. So what you're going to do is just click on select, click on rectangular, then if you are using Paint, then you click and drag. Then the thumbnail is actually by this side, then you release, then you click on crop. Now you can see everything is clear, there's no watermark there. Then you can save this by using Ctrl S if you are using your phone. If you are using your InShot app, you can also do that by cropping. So if this video have added any benefits to you, don't forget, this is my main WhatsApp number link, this is my WhatsApp group, this is my Telegram channel, this is my Instagram page, this is my Facebook page, and this is finally my Telegram group. So do make sure you hit the like button, hit the notification bell button, and also hit the notification bell button so as to get notified of my new videos. Please like this video. Is very important. Like this video so that YouTube can show this video to other people. Do well, good night, and stay blessed. God bless you.